Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make downloads go to external hard drive. So first thing is open up your web browser and now go to the three dots in the top right corner over here and then go through the settings. Now here guys, just simply go for the downloads on the left side and now as you can see the location of my downloads is on the C drive. So let's change that by going to the change over here. And after that, go for the C drive and just simply select your file or folder that you want to redirect it to. So let's say I'm going to go for apps over here and select folder. And from there, guys, every time I download, it will be redirected to this location. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.